Welcome! In front of me I have POCO Watch and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And we can open the Mi Fitness on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on it you should see your POCO Watch, and under the POCO Watch there will be this banner saying Manage Watch Faces. Tap on it, it will open the online store with the watch faces, and you can scroll through this store, look for something you want to download. You can also use the categories right here at the top if you like to. So basically look for something you want to apply. No, maybe this one. So let's select the watch face you like by tapping on it and then tap on apply, and it's gonna start installing, and after it's done installing it will be applied on your watch. And after it's done, like I said before, the watch face will be applied. Here we have it. And if you go back to the store, to the main page, and select the local category, it will appear right here on the list of local watch faces, basically the ones installed on your watch, and can switch between them quickly by tapping on one and tapping on apply. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.